Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cocovanity, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, press that subscribe button, hit that like button, and please leave a comment. I love to read y'all comments and I answer back. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. So today I'm coming with a holiday vibe. I got some burgundy reddish tones, and if you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Let's get into this beats. Let's get into this beat because Cocovanity has arrived. Cocovanity has arrived, honey. Cocovanity has arrived. Yes, yes, yes.
Sunday morning, waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane, white hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. Wednesday night, just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night, it's easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane, white hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. Like a drive in the sun, windows down, music on. We've got nothing but time. Feel the breeze in my head, baby, we be cruising. Oh, oh, oh. Na na na, na na na, na na na, na na na, na 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 na. Oh, yeah, you my sunshine mixed with a little hurricane, white hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make
try to fight it, but you can't even feel it. Try to deny it, but it's coming from someone you love. Not the wisest to deceive. Cannot hide away above it all. In the silence is conceited, 'cause it believes that we're defeated. To our surprise, I believe it. What's inside us will release us now. Oh, you know that we'll just have to trust now. Then maybe we'll never find out, but now we're coming to the place in the tall grass where we see that the elders have lost time, and the lessons we learned for a long time have all but abandoned our small minds. Dream about nothing but fear, trying to run up a decline. Maybe one day we'll learn the truth. Maybe we're blind by the sign. Maybe we're blind by the sign. Maybe we're blind by the sign. There's something special that we're keeping in a place that's close and near and dear to our hearts. Just a lie that we are different in our existence, and it can never happen to us. I only know this because I feel it, and I can see that I've been left in the dark now. Or what's worse, that we need it. It leaves me speechless, but we'll just have to trust now. Oh, that there's things bigger than us now. And maybe we'll find out, but now we're coming to that place in the tall grass. It seems like the elders have lost time, and the lessons we've learned from a long time have all but abandoned our small minds. Scream about nothing but fear, trying to run up a decline. Maybe one day we'll learn the truth. Maybe we're blind by the sign. Coming to the place in the tall grass. Maybe we're blind by the sign. Lessons we've learned from a long time. Oh, maybe we're blind by the sign. Without nothing but fear. Maybe we're blind by the sign. Maybe one day we'll learn. Oh, maybe we're blind by the sign.
They say a drunk mind speaks over thoughts. So baby, what are you saying? Cause I tell me one thing, when you take them shots, but the next day you're just playing. Now baby, I don't need my time wasted. If you don't want me, then just say yes, instead of calling up my phone when you've been drinking all night long. You gonna act like you ain't saying, you gotta act like it's a lie. You tryna play with my emotions, but that drink, babe, doesn't lie. So drink it up, I wanna know what's on your mind. So drink it up, want you to tell me that you're mine. So drink it up, tell me you love me once again. So drink it up, I wanna know what you're thinking. So drink it up, so drink it up, so drink it up, so drink it up. You said you didn't mean it, that you went too far, tryna act like you forgot. You're acting like I'm crazy. crazy, like I made this up, but baby, I think not. All those late night conversations when you said you want my heart, and you think I'm so amazing. You don't like being apart. You told me you miss me and you need me, that you love more than my body. I caught you off guard, you falling real hard. Well, sorry, I'm not sorry. You're gonna act like you ain't saying. You're gonna act like it's a lie. You tryna play with my emotions, but that drink it doesn't lie. So drink it up. I wanna know what's on your mind. So drink it up. Want you to tell me that you're mine. So drink it up. Tell me you love me once again. So drink it up. I wanna know what you're thinking, so drink it up. So drink it up. So drink it up. So drink it up. You gonna act like you ain't saying. You're gonna act like it's a lie. You tryna play with my emotions, but that drink, babe, doesn't lie. You gonna act like you ain't saying. You're gonna act like it's a lie. You tryna play with my emotions, but that drink, babe, doesn't lie. Sunday morning, waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. They tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night it's easy love with you.
So today I'm coming to y'all with this beautiful gold, black, red, burgundy vibes. Something just for the holiday season. I want to do a holiday look. So here we go. If you're new to my channel, press that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment so I can get to know you. Welcome to the Vanity Fan, all my vanity dolls. Thank you. I appreciate all the love you have given me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and thanks for everything. So yeah, let's get into this look. Giving y'all holiday. Y'all know I couldn't let the season go without just bringing some kind of holiday vibe. So yeah, I'm coming with a holiday look. This is a burgundy gold, little silver, burgundy Beyonce going on. But if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you're not new to my channel, welcome back. And I want to thank everybody for all the support that you have given me on my channel. Vanity has arrived. Yes, yes, yes.